Welcome, dear learners. Welcome to know about the National Digital Library of India. What is NDLI? NDLI integrates all existing digitized and digital content across institutions of the nation to provide a single window access with e-learning facility. NDLI hosts 60 plus types of learning resources like books, theses, articles, audio lectures, video lectures, manuscripts, question papers, web courses, annual reports, solutions, data sets, reports, technical reports, manual album, monograph, technical manual, law judgments, etc. National Digital Library of India is a national mission on education through information and communication technology, which is known as NMEICT project developed by the Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur IIT KGP under the aegis of the Ministry of Human Resource Development Government of India. It is a digital repository containing textbooks, articles, videos, audiobooks, lectures, simulations, fiction, and all other kinds of learning media. The NDLI provides free of cost access to many books in the Indian languages and English. So let me take you to the site of NDLI, how it works, and how you can register yourself to log in to get all the facilities which are available through the NDLI website. So this is the website of NDLI. Here you can see this is for schools, for CBSE examination preparatories, for engineering, for science, humanities, literature, law, and management. It has a searching option, and here you can see, dear learners, how many resources are available. And the language, if you click here, it will show you in English, Hindi, and Bangla. So you can search your query here to find out about the resources available. It also has here you can see NDLI Club. So once you register yourself, you need to log in and then you can proceed for your search. Here, dear learners, you can see by type, by subject, by source, by learning resources, you can check your searches. So let's click here by source. So if we click here by source, it shows guide to browse contents by source, feature source list, all sources list, and to refine browse results. So different ways are there to search. Now going back, here you can see it has the scholarly publications, data sets, documents and videos, journals and conferences, ideas and funding, challenges startup, and centenary of Satyajit Ray, and person of the week, so many activities also. So let's just go and click about the documents and videos. So here you can see number of different organizations mentioned over here. So let's click on WHO. So it shows about the bulletins of the WHO about the coronavirus disease, COVID 2019, situation reports, advice for the public, and different research about the COVID 19. Right? So, this way, dear learners, you can click any of these and can check for writing your research work or to get the information which is available. Now, here, if you go here, scholarly publications, if we double click here, it will show about the publications. So, publications showing 37,547 resources which are available. This is a blog, index, and papers. So, if we click here on papers, again, it will show you from which university press you want to explore. IEEE, Nature, Oxford University Press, PubMed, Sage Journal. So if you click here Sage Journal, it will navigate you, take you to the Sage Journal site. Here you can go through this, and here you have to accept or decline. It's a privacy policy. So in this way, you can check from here. So this is just an informative video for you to know about how this NDLI works. So I hope you like this and you would really get benefit out of these going to the NDLI website and utilize the resources which are available here.